Stop wasting time with landing pages that don't convert. If you're using ActiveCampaign and you're not leveraging their landing page builder to the fullest, you're missing out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a high converting landing page in under 7 minutes. Without the fluff, let's dive in. So, first things first, why even use ActiveCampaign for a landing page? Well, unlike many other platforms, ActiveCampaign's landing page is directly tied into your email marketing and automation. That means your forms, automations, and CRMs are all interconnected. No more disconnects between your campaigns and the data you're collecting. This integration makes tracking and optimizing your landing page performance easier than ever. First, the headline. Headline needs to grab attention and clearly state the benefits. For example, we are now at the website of ActiveCampaign. As you can see the headline, welcome, let's get started automating your business. Clear and simple and short. If conveys the actual goal of a viewer, the clear the goal will, the more conversion rate will be. So try to work on this at first. Minimal distractions. Keep your landing page as clean as possible and focused on the goal. Like, what's your goal here? If you're trying to sell something, let's make your page as simple as possible to turn up the conversion rate. So the point number 2. Now let's get into the fun stuff. After coming the home page, click here to website and from forms select to the page. After that, create a new page. It takes a little bit. Just wait for some moment. As you can see, it has already showing a lot of pre-made templates. You can use whatever you want, or if you want, you can start to. I'm going to show you step by step how to create a high converting landing page using ActiveCampaign's built-in tools. And to be honest, I'll suggest you to not use these pre-made templates. You can use if you want to, but I'll suggest you to make everything from yourself, which will be more likely to understand by you. So I'll just firstly rename your page whatever you want. As you can see, it's basically Shopify store. Head to your ActiveCampaign dashboard and just imagine if you are building a store for building your Shopify store. You can just simply take a template like this and change whatever you want. Just simply click here. As you can see, everything is drag and drop here. Like if I want to add another image here, I just simply, as you can see, it has generated. Now I can upload my files. I have file. As you can see, now I can upload files which are my own, and you can even check the mobile version of this, how the mobile version would look like. If the majority of your clients are in mobile, you can customize it for your mobile also. At first, edit your headline, whatever you want to give. I'll just give it my video editing agency. By the way, if you want jokes in this, okay, yeah, this one looks good. And by the way, you can add your personal links to it, obviously. So as you can see, it's pretty customizable. So last step is the CTA. If you want your change the text to something more action driven, like get my free guide now, or link it to a form of your offer. Even you can add social proofs, testimonials, or obviously logos in your landing page to maximize the potential. And finally, double check the form. You don't want to ask for too much info. First name and email is usually all you need to start building that list. As simple as that. Now that you have, after everything is done, just click to publish page. Now that your page is built, let's make sure it's optimized. Always preview your page on mobile. With over 50% of traffic coming from mobile devices, it has to look perfect, right? Speed matters. The faster your page loads, the better your conversions Active campaigns pages are lightweight, but always check the speed after publishing. And last but not least, just click it, save as a temple, and click to publish. So once the page is completed, split test different headlines, CTAs, or even images to see what resonates best with your audience. And last but not least, boom, you did it. You're officially built a high converting, clean, and focused landing page using ActiveCampaign. No bloat, no confusion, just straight up value. Now here's the real game changer. Your landing page is not just a page. It's a digital salesperson working 24/7. So keep it clear. Every word should earn its place. Focused. One goal, one call to action. And that's it. Optimized. Test, tweak, and repeat. So if this video saved your time, made you think, or just helped you get unstuck, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It supports the channel more than you know. Subscribe for weekly no bullshit tutorial that help you work smarter. And hey, tap the bell so YouTube actually tells you when I drop new stuff. Got stuck somewhere, confused about a feature, want a deep dive on something? Drop questions in the comments and I actually read them and reply when I can. You might even inspire the next video. Who knows? And if you're building a business, a brand, or just trying to get your system together, you're in the right place. This channel is built for doors, for creators, for entrepreneurs like you. So stay curious, stay hungry, and most importantly, keep executing. Subscribe for more tips. No fluff, actionable weekly. Comment below if you want a full series on ActiveCampaign. Peace.